On this episode of Raw Garage, it is Matt's birthday, so we're going to be getting the dream dirt bike track ready to do some insane tricks. And Matt loves to ride dirt bikes, so it's perfect. We have a brand new freestyle motocross ramp to hit. Oh! Then we're going to have the world's biggest bonfire and choose the coolest way to get it started. Oh, here we go. Oh! And then to finish the night off, we're going to create our own amusement park ride.
Oh, we're ready.
This episode of Raw Garage, it is Matt's birthday, so we're doing some crazy stuff. First up, we gotta get the Tesla hooked up to the trailer so we can move my brand new ramp to the dirt bike course. And surprisingly, the Tesla worked really well to tow the ramp. Before we get the ramp in place, first we have to clear out the hill and make sure it's exactly the right height to jump this thing because it is so big and we do not want to have a harsh landing in an ambulance.
It's the new tow rig.
Things you don't see every day.
Yeah, I bet you never seen a Model Y towing a freestyle ramp.
Send this to Elon.
And now that the ramp's in place, it's time to rip. I think I'm ready to try it. I've seen everyone else do it. It's gonna be my first time hitting this ramp to dirt. All right, speed check's done. Let's just give it a little send. So good, I like flew in the air. Here we go. So after hitting the first couple times, we're now dialing in the landing. The landing needs to be taller and steeper and bigger. Woo! I swear I saw tires, bro.
Bailey is the dirt bike.
Yeah, I don't need wheels. I am wheels. I love the bag.
Do you like what I did?
Happy birthday, Matt.
It's pretty cool. It looks like a bonfire.
You can add it to the...
Pretty
Going
cool.
for. Okay, I'm
Really?
so happy that
You
you
did it.
noticed it.
It does look like fire.
What do we have here? Oh, sick.
Figured I can't wait.
Oh wow, this is really cool. They're like super flexible. We got some motorcycle gloves.
Yeah, let's do it again. That was perfect.
Oh, this is awesome. Oh, are these elbow?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
It's a whole set of pads. So let me know if anything
Yeah.
doesn't fit.
This would be great. This looks like kind of like
Just
a
a
one
hard
size.
shell. Yeah.
That's awesome. As long as he gets enough speed, he won't end up in the middle here, so we should be good. All right, here he goes. There he is. More speed, I think. More speed. Oh! Wow, he shot that good. Yeah. There goes Matt. Nice. Carter going again. Nice.
Man, that ramp was so wild. We were flying so high, and I can't wait to start doing some amazing tricks on it. Before we get started the world's biggest bonfire, we gotta help the lawn crew because they got one of their mowers stuck yet again.
All right, we got two vehicles to pull out here. Got the truck and the lawnmower.
because otherwise I'm just gonna be dragging him through the water. I'm probably gonna drag him through the water already. Good. It's working so far. Now it's time for the hard one.
Hold up right there. I don't want you this much.
That's just even more fun. We had to go a little longer on the rope this time just to keep the truck from sinking into this mud. The same mud that they sunk into. I think we try half length now. I just don't want it going any deeper. Give it a try. We tie it up maybe down there again. See if I can get to that. If I can get it here maybe. Yeah. I might be able to get the lift I need. Worst case I'm getting the small excavator. Alright, so we changed where we tied to the mower. We're gonna try from a different point now. The mower just keeps going deeper. So I think I need the excavator. All right, I'm gonna go grab it, and then I can come here and just lift and then come out. Okay, so we got the truck out, we got one of the mowers out, but the other one is way too deep. So fortunately, we have a mini excavator that can just come in and kind of lift it up. I think that's gonna work. So we're gonna go grab that now. All right, let's get going. All right, so I've tied the lawnmower up to the arm on the excavator. I'm gonna try and lift this piece of the mower here that's sunken down and not coming up, and then pull out. Hopefully it'll work. All right, that was great. It was too easy. The excavator was actually starting to tip forward a little bit. It was so stuck, but it did get out. I'm just gonna leave this here for them to deal with. I did my part.
Now that we got all that sorted out, what better way to end a birthday celebration than with a huge bonfire with all of our friends? And we're about to light this thing off with 40 gallons of diesel fuel. Guys, this is some serious stuff. Do not try this at home. We are actually with a professional who does these kinds of fires, so we can make sure that we do this exactly how you're supposed to, and most importantly, nice and safe. Not to mention, we do have medical professionals on standby just in case anything happens. So again, please do not try this in your own backyard.
All right, so we're gonna dump a bunch of diesel onto the brush and see if we can get it to catch on fire.
Sounds like a good idea.
It's a really good idea. Yeah, we have Let's Dig here.
Yeah,
He's the professional.
I'll hold the
Let's Dig 18,
Yeah, we'll let him, the guy who's done this before.
You think we need a lot for it to get it going?
But we're gonna use a lot.
Alright. Oh, it's red. Look at that.
It's
my flash on it?
cherry flavor. This is why you guys gave this to me.
Yep. We're continuing Matt's celebration. We rode dirt bikes earlier, and now we're doing a professional bonfire.
Are you ready? We're gonna fill her up.
Oh my.
Never done this before. Don't try this at home.
This feels wrong.
This feels really.
This does feel wrong. Only on Raw Garage.
Only on Raw Garage.
What is that? Wait, what?
Red Kool-Aid.
It's red Kool-Aid.
I did not know this is happening.
Steven Scherer's first cameo in Raw Garage.
That's right. I was in it earlier when I was doing the
Balenciaga.
I just realized you're filming that in the bucket. Don't be scared, Chris.
There she goes.
There we go.
Yeah.
Something's about to happen. Stand back.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Round two?
All right, round two. What? Are we king? Oh,
Matt's flanking.
there we go.
If this doesn't work, we'll have to put the Tesla in there.
Yeah, it'll really get going.
All right, have fun doing the honors.
I'm gonna have fun.
All right, he's going. He's teasing. Oh, the heat.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, here we go. Oh!
Oh my goodness.
He thinks this is easy to hold on to?
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh my god. Hot tub. He's gonna go dad him up, I guarantee it. Yeah.
Oh, get on. Go.
What?
Go.
Me?
No, I'm not going. No. It's insanely smooth. Yeah, do whatever you were, yeah.
I guess we're good to go. What in the world? Don't be jealous.
No, over the fire.
Look how far away from the machine. Oh, hold up. Oh no.
Oh my god. Over the fire.
Let us down, Chris.
Oh, what? Oh! See it going down?
Woo! Berg's up next.
Oh boy, I don't know about that.
Matt's birthday. We got a carnival ride. All right, I guess we're oh, he's off. There goes Matt. All right, I'm stepping back. I don't want to be in the way. It's so funny. It looks hilarious. Let's go, Matt. Alice is just sitting there so chill, and Matt's like, ah! It's pretty wild. You go so fast. How was it? It looks crazy. Yeah, it's
But
literally
like extreme.
Yeah,
The G-force is crazy.
it's pretty wild.
Way more than it seems like from the outside.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. That is the coolest carnival ride I've ever been on. And it's right here in the backyard.
Oh my god.
Ready, Maria Cross. Oh, we're ready. This is the best carnival ride you've ever been on. Cozy.
All right, stand back. Don't let that bucket come get you. Come out. Get out. Get out. She screamed. This is so funny. You can hear the three of them like harmonizing their screams. How was it? Did you survive? That looked really scary. That looks so scary. That was one of the coolest things we have ever done here on the RAR Garage channel. All in all, Matt and everybody on RAR Garage had such an amazing day. Matt had an awesome birthday. If you want to wish him a happy birthday, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of RAR Garage.